Did you know that if we have a bad relationship with our fellow men, it can block our prayer? 1 Peter 3 and verse 7, even those in the home circle. Did you know if you have a wrong relationship with your spouse, it can cause God to stop his ears when you pray? 1 Peter 3 and verse 7, he says, husbands, dwell with them according to knowledge, giving honor unto the wife as unto the weaker vessel, and as being heirs together of the grace of life. Why? That your prayers be not hindered. In other words, God is saying, have a good relationship with them, that I be able to hear your prayer. A wrong relationship with people, and especially those in your home, can block our prayer. Is that clear? Some say, well, Pastor, but I'm going to church. I don't care about those at home. I heard them, but I don't care. I'm going to church. I'm on my way to church. Let them stay there and suffer. They deserve it. When you go to church, I hear God saying, it's not time for worship. God is saying, leave your goods at the altar. He says, if you have aught against your fellow man. It doesn't even say if they have aught against you. If you, he says, if they have aught against you. Not so much if you have aught against them, but if they ever think they have aught against you. He says, well, leave your goods at the altar and go and reconcile to them and then come back to worship. In other words, in God's economy, reconciling with your brother is more important than worship. This is why God has given Christians, God holds them at a standard. You are responsible of showing the world how to live. Even in our marriages, you are responsible of showing the world how to do marriage well. For you have the standard.